Don't let marketing fool you. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is no Ultra. Samsung recently dropped a flashy teaser for its next Unpacked event, hinting at the debut of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and throughout the promo, the term Ultra was used with heavy emphasis, ending on a dramatic note. The Ultra experience is about to unfold, which instantly sparked speculation about whether Samsung was finally launching an Ultra-tier foldable with all the jaw-dropping features of its Galaxy S Ultra lineup. But the truth? It's not happening, unless Samsung's hiding an entirely separate Ultra model we haven't seen. And if you've been following the rumors, you probably already know why. Let's unpack it all. Starting with the bigger screens, yes. Samsung confirms the Fold 7 will sport larger, wider displays. Rumors suggest a 6.5-inch outer screen and a massive 8.2-inch foldable inner display. And while this is a welcome change to those tired of cramped fold screens, let's be honest. That's not what defines an Ultra flagship, not when competitors have been doing for years. And not when Samsung itself took 6 generations to make this change, excluding, of course, the obscure Fold Special Edition SE, which had larger screens but was only launched in a couple of countries. And then there's a camera setup. While we're seeing an upgrade to a 200MP main sensor, a big step up from the 50MP camera used previously, we still get the same 3x optical zoom, just like its predecessors, and that simply doesn't cut it. True Ultra devices, like the Galaxy S24 Ultra or the rumored S25 Ultra, come equipped with both 3x and 5x periscope lenses, with past models even boasting a dedicated 10x optical zoom. Now that's Ultra-level photography power. The Fold 7 setup, while better, is nowhere near that league, and calling it Ultra just for a megapixel bump is misleading. Now, let's talk battery life. A defining feature of Ultra phones is their 5,000 mAh battery, but the Galaxy Z Fold 7 sticks with the same 4,400 mAh battery it had since the Fold 3. Yes, the same one for 5 generations, and that's a problem. Samsung's teaser brags about AI-powered tools enabling all-day use for messaging, gaming, and browsing, but let's be real. Software optimization can only do so much. Physics doesn't change just because the code got smarter. Larger screens consume more power. And even if Samsung's AI can stretch battery life early on, what happens a year or two when battery degradation kicks in and major OS updates start taking their toll? Samsung is promising 7 years of updates, but will the battery even last for with consistent performance? Doubtful. Look, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will almost certainly be Samsung's best foldable yet, thanks to the wider screens and improved primary camera, no question. But calling it Ultra undermines everything that branding stands for. As the legendary Jack Nicholson once said, honor, code, loyalty. Ultra isn't just a catchy marketing phrase to sprinkle into a promo and hope no one questions it. It means top-tier everything, and Samsung seems to be watering it down just to push excitement around a Fold 7. By not delivering true Ultra-level upgrades, no periscope zoom, no massive battery, and certainly no groundbreaking innovation in areas where it counts. Samsung risks diluting the Ultra brand it worked so hard to build over the past 5 years with the Galaxy S Ultra series. Don't get me wrong. The Fold 7 will still be exciting, sleek, and powerful, and fans of foldables will love it for what it is. But let's not pretend it's something it's not. The Fold 7 might unfold like a marvel, but it's not Ultra, not in the ways that matter. And we owe it to ourselves as tech enthusiasts to see through the marketing smoke and judge devices by what they actually offer, not just by the buzzwords they're sold with. For honest breakdown, deep dive, and no-nonsense tech insights, make sure you subscribe right here to your trusted source, TechVerse.